Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to mirror your phone to Android Auto. By default, Android Auto only supports certain apps, but with screen mirroring, you can display almost anything from your phone right onto your car's display. The most popular way is by using AA Mirror or Car Stream, which you install on your Android phone. To set it up, first enable developer options in the Android Auto app, then download AA Mirror from a trusted source. Connect your phone to your car with a USB or wireless Android Auto, open the mirrored app, and your full phone screen will appear inside Android Auto, letting you run YouTube, Netflix, browsers, or anything else. Another option is using head units that support native screen mirroring, which don't even require third party apps. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.